7 1/4 inch saw is the most powerful saw I've ever had, and it works really great.
Way more powerful. I can cut through full depth through plywood and LVL, and it's great.
Speed of the saw has definitely beat out all the other saws I've used. It does phenomenal. It powers through it basically as quickly as you can push the saw.
It's super comfortable, even with the big 12 amp batteries. It feels balanced.
We use the tools all day long. It really saves our bodies.
The framing blades are great. Use them for multiple days, almost the whole job.
They cut really well. They cut really straight.
It's a great saw. We're not bringing out any of the cords or anything anymore. The power is perfect, everything I need.